Hi guys, today is the 15th of July, so we will just have a quick analysis, technical analysis for Bitcoin USD. So in the 26th of June, the Bitcoin did rally to the top of 13,700. It did come back to find a support at almost 10,000, 9,000 something. Then it did rally, but it couldn't break the stop, so it did lose momentum. So it did rally up to 13,000, okay, and then it's coming back down. What's the situation now? You have to go with the trend in Bitcoin. You can't say this price is attractive, this price is good, it's gonna fly to 50,000. I like this price. You can't do this. This is wrong. Why? Because can it crash back down to 3,000? So if we look at this daily chart, when it was coming down from like 3,500, who did know it's gonna go to 13,000? Everybody was waiting for the bull trend, right? But nobody was sure when or how far or how fast, so no one did know, okay? So everybody was saying at that price you buy, you don't sell, okay? But what happened when you were here at 6,000 before? Would you buy it and it goes down to 3,000 down? That would be a very bad decision. Or worse, let's zoom it a little bit. If you did buy here at 15,000 and you were thinking it's gonna go 50,000 or 100,000, right? So you would lose all your money if you do that, right? So that's why you must go the trend. And how can we identify a signal for a trend is when we have two moving averages crossing, okay? And we will go with the H4 time frame. It's the best for signals. Okay, this was the daily. You can see here we've got this green moving average did cross this blue one, so that was a buy signal. Did continue all the way here, did find a support in this moving average, did continue. When it did come down here, it was a good idea to get out of this trade. Then you wait another buy signal. It comes all the way here, probably here. What is also a good idea when you get this red signal to get out of the trade. What you should do, you should wait till it comes down. Then when it's going back up, then you have a buy signal, then you go with it as a buy, okay? So here, this is the 4 hours time frame. So you can see, if we start this from here, that was a buy signal, okay? Because we said we're gonna only buy, so that was a 7,000 price. So if you go to the previous, we know it's coming from like 3,500, right? So if you go down, you know it was coming from a lower price. However, I'm not gonna go back so much. I'm just gonna give you an idea about this strategy and the analysis of the Bitcoin. So when you did buy here, you can hold it all the way. You can get out of here and wait another buy signal, or you can hold it as you wish. Then you come here all the way. When this moving average turns from green to red, then you need to get out because this can go down a lot. And it did come down, okay? So here also was a sell signal in this area, okay? Here you've got a buy signal. It didn't go so much, but that's like over 1,000 bips, maybe a couple thousand, okay? Here you've had this cross down. So the red one did cut the red one, then, or this pink cut the red one, then this is a sell signal. So we're still under a sell signal. You can't buy in the H4 time frame. And H4 time frame, one of the best frames you can rely on, okay? You can go to the 1 hour time frame, but this one is more, you can rely on it more, okay? So are we coming to 9,700, find a support and bounce back? Do not rely on support too much. You can take it as a guide, but don't make it 100%. So if it does break the support, you have to get out, okay? If it does make a bin like that, then it bounce back. You may get in here, then make your stop loss under here, then you go with it. Stuff like that. If it does this at a support level, okay? Then if it does break this one, if it comes down here slowly like that, start going back up, and you have this moving average to turn blue and the other one turn green, just like here, then this is a buy. If this doesn't happen here, it goes down all the way and it comes here, then this will be the buy signal. But however, you can see those three candles, but there is no momentum. You see, this was uptrend. You can see the momentum. You can see was a candle was so big. This usually a good indication of a reversal in a trend. This looks like a correction. The candle is too small. So far, looks like a correction. You know, looks like it's gonna go a little bit sideways and continue coming down. So if the moving average, you get something like that, is a buy. If you get something like that, is a buy. Okay. Okay, you can look at this one. This was posted July 13th. So that was like a couple days ago. So the price was at 11,800. So I put this line and this line and this line. So the plan was Bitcoin by 11,200 in the way up, not down. So the plan, if it does come like that, you know, if it comes down like this, then it's going up, then at that point you can buy it. Okay, that was the plan. If it comes like this, then it start going sideways and start going up, then this will be a good buy exactly in this area. Okay, and if it continue going down and you've got this purple one, it says if this happen, don't enter. So this is continuation of a downtrend and there is no up buy signal yet. If this what was to happen, it comes here, go like that, start going back up. This was a strong support level, and like it did bounce from here one time, like you can see. See that here, and almost this area, this and that, and before. So if it does bounce from here, it comes down to this area, it does go up, then this will be an indication this is reversal, just like what happened many times before. But if this does not happen and the price continue going down, this will not be as smart to hold the buy, right? Okay, so let's see what happened. Did it come down like this, or and go up, or continue down? And if it does continue down, it says don't enter. Okay, you can see it did go all the way down exactly with the line. See those three lines, it's just going exactly even with the same exact line. It's like not even a missing like anything at all. Okay, so it's losing momentum, like it's going down, it's losing prices, value. Okay, so there is no buy signal yet. Can this go down to 5,000? Maybe, could be. Whoever knows? Nobody knows, right? Can this fly to 50,000? It could be. Who knows? So in order to be successful, you must go with a trend. You must go with like when it's bouncing from support and breaking a point and going up, and your stop loss will be down here, or you go with a moving average across, just like we talked about in this one here. Just like this one. Okay, so you're waiting. If you want to go with the 1 hour time frame, for example, this will be a signal right here to sell, and this will be a signal to buy, but this another signal to sell, right? This one will be a buy, right? Then you get out of this buy here. Then for this sell, top first one here will be closed, of course, at this area price or at this price, and this sell you can close it now because this turned green right now. So you get this profit and you get this profit, right? And this one mostly will break even. Okay, because once you open here, the price go up a little bit, then come down, you're gonna break even. So you have one profit and one profit. So you can get this profit just like that beside this profit here. This is how you trade, and you get out. You know how when to get in and how to get out. This is good. Okay, guys. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this. So please, if you like it, hit the like button, and if you have any comments to say, you are very welcome. If you have any idea to if you like anything, if you like any analysis we can do, if you have any idea how can we improve the content, or you like certain things, you can let us know. If you don't like certain things, you can also let us know. Please share it, subscribe, and hit the like button. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.